Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Rizael Mukashev. I am a third-year student at Monterey Institute. My major is Master of Public Administration.
Why do you think cash flow management is so important for an organization?
Uh, I think cash flow is one of the very important spheres for the organization, and because if the organization has a very distinct and clear idea about how much cash comes in and how much cash goes out, they manage to make their budgets and plan their budgets more properly, more coherently, uh, both for the long term and for the short term. And uh, just because if they have good cash flow control, they limit financial risks in the future.
And what's your personal experience with an organization cash flow? I mean, if you have worked before with an organization that were suffering from the cash flow problems.
Uh, Actually, I didn't work for any organization, but we took the finance function class, and one of the assignments was to work with organization as a group project. And our group worked with one of the organizations in California, and a non-profit organization. And that organization, they had really bad, like huge problems with the cash flow and with the whole financial situation. So what was their problem? They didn't control it, and they didn't pay attention to that, and just because of the ignorance of cash flow, and the whole situation was very bad for them.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you.